A new chapter in the Camp Nou transformation is unfolding, with remarkable progress becoming visible across the stadium. Today, we'll take you through the latest developments, including major advances on the ceramic facade, the evolving diamond structures, the expanding compression ring, the upgraded VIP areas, and the rapid installation of the new pitch. Let's dive into today's biggest construction updates and see how the future home of FC Barcelona is coming to life. A major transformation is taking place in the South Goal Mobility Core area, where the first core featuring the new decorative ceramic lamellas is making impressive progress. A large section of this structure is already covered, giving us the first real glimpse of the stunning design that will shape the new Camp Nou. The workers continue to push forward with great dedication, carefully installing each ceramic element and working on the remaining sections as the area moves closer to completion. The most impressive feature is the changing visual effect of the lamellas, creating different shades depending on the viewing angle and light. With these elegant pointed finishes now becoming visible, this part of the stadium is already showing the unique architectural identity of the renovated Camp Nou. The transformation is truly remarkable. Construction of the third tier continues at an impressive pace. Most of the permanent structural framework is already complete, while temporary lighting systems are being relocated to support ongoing work. Scaffolding remains in place beneath the upper structure as crews focus on the remaining roof support elements and finishing tasks. With each passing week, the upper level is looking increasingly complete and is moving closer to being ready for its next construction phase. Installation of the stadium's mechanical and ventilation systems continues inside the Tribuna. Large ventilation ducts and service pipes are being installed to provide climate control, air circulation, and utility services throughout the interior spaces. These systems will serve the VIP lounges, hospitality suites, restaurants, and other premium facilities. Moving inside the South Goal area, the VIP ring continues to take shape as one of the first interior sections being developed. An important improvement can already be seen with the recent work on the wall finishes. The workers have been applying a new layer of plaster to the walls, covering the previous concrete blocks and giving this section a much cleaner appearance. This updated finish is already visible across a significant part of the area. As the renovation continues, these details are slowly transforming the interior spaces of the new Camp Nou and revealing the quality of the finishing work taking place throughout the stadium. One of the biggest updates inside the new Camp Nou is the progress of the pitch installation. Workers are moving with great precision, carefully placing and joining the new grass sections as the playing surface continues to take shape. The transformation is advancing day by day, with the team working intensively to complete this important part of the stadium ahead of its return to action. The new pitch is already showing a significant change compared with previous days, bringing the legendary field closer to its final appearance inside the renovated Camp Nou. Construction work continues to advance in the South Goal area, where workers have started installing the exterior sandwich panels on the structure. Using lifting platforms and a vacuum crane system, the team is carefully placing each panel, with several sections already covered and more panels being added. This progress marks an important step in closing and finishing this part of the stadium, following the previous work completed on the interior side. At the same time, workers are also active in the upper sections, carrying out painting work on the structural beams and preparing the area for the next stages. A major update is emerging from the lateral sector, where the latest inspection reveals concrete work underway on one of the diamond structures. After changing the viewing angle and taking a closer look, the signs became clear. The concrete pouring process has already started. This marks an important step forward for the diamond structure, as the construction team continues shaping these unique architectural elements of the new Camp Nou. Alongside this progress, the continuous decorative ceramic lamellas create an impressive visual effect across the stadium. Work on the Tribuna section of the compression ring continues to advance steadily as another large steel box segment has now been installed. With this latest addition, the structure is now just one segment away from reaching the next radial beam. While preparations for the following span are already in place, the installation of these larger box sections is allowing the compression ring to progress efficiently, bringing this critical structural element another step closer to completion. Painting operations continue across the north goal mobility core as workers apply the final protective coating to the exposed steel framework. The remaining primer-coated beams are gradually receiving their finished gray layer, preparing the structure for the installation of exterior sandwich panels. This finishing work is creating a uniform appearance while protecting the steel for the next construction phase. Preparations for sandwich panel installation continue around the north goal mobility core. Construction materials have already been delivered and staged nearby while the structural finishing work advances. Once the remaining painting and surface preparation are completed, crews will be able to begin enclosing this mobility core with exterior sandwich panels. The area is now steadily approaching the next major phase of facade construction. Inside the stadium now, workers have been spotted polishing the inside of the shops within the stadium. Polishing work at this stage of development is a really encouraging sign because it tells you that the shop interiors are advanced enough that the finishing and cleaning phase has begun. This is a really important detail for anyone who was at the Camp Nou last season. The crews are still working hard on sealing and covering the spaces behind the slats on the inside of the stadium. The reason they are doing this is directly connected to something that caused a lot of frustration last season. There were leakages. Rain was getting inside the stadium through gaps in certain areas and causing problems on the inside. It was not a good situation, and the club took note of it seriously. So, right now, the crews are going through those interior spaces behind the slat installations and making sure everything is properly covered and properly sealed so that when the rain comes this season, it stays outside where it belongs. This is exactly the kind of behind-the-scenes work that most people will never notice or think about, but that makes a massive difference to the experience inside the stadium on a wet match day. No more puddles, no more wet seats, no more leaking water causing problems. The crews are fixing it properly, and that is really good news for every fan who is going to be inside the new Camp Nou when it rains. These two interior updates together tell a really positive story about where the inside of the stadium currently stands. The shops are being polished and prepared. The rain leakage problem from last season is being actively fixed. The interior of the new Camp Nou is being taken care of with real attention and real care. The focus now shifts to the corner area, where workers are making progress on the remaining structural elements. The latest support piece that was pending in this section has now been installed, while two workers continue working from elevated platforms to complete the final details. With the main supports now almost in place, the next step will be adding the connecting beams and the remaining anchor points that will complete this structure. Above, the installation of protective tubes continues along the lower part of the overhang, preparing this area for the upcoming safety net system as the work moves gradually toward the Tribuna side. A noticeable improvement is taking place at the main access to the Tribuna VIP areas, where workers are now installing the new paving stones and completing the finishing work. The area is already looking much more refined, with the old temporary railings being removed and replaced by the final design elements. The new steps and flooring are also advancing, with crews continuing to work on the remaining sections. Although some details still need to be completed, this entrance is moving closer to its final appearance as preparations continue for the upcoming return to the stadium. The new Camp Nou is getting closer to its final vision, and with every update, we are seeing another piece of this incredible transformation come to life. But the biggest question remains: how will this legendary stadium look when every detail is finally completed? We will continue following every step of this historic journey and bring you the latest updates in the next video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.